Power grids don't fail randomly. They fail when weather pushes systems past limits they were never designed to handle. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. Grids are built for averages, not extremes. Power grids are engineered around historical averages, average temperatures, average demand, average weather patterns. But extreme weather breaks that assumption. Heat waves, deep freezes, hurricanes, and droughts push systems beyond design limits. Demand shock, when everyone needs power at once. Weather stress usually begins with demand spikes. Heat waves drive mass air conditioning use. Cold snaps trigger electric heating surges. Storm recovery increases emergency load. When demand spikes faster than supply can respond, the grid destabilizes. When generation can't keep up. At the same time demand rises, supply often falls. Thermal plants overheat or shut down. Natural gas freezes or loses pressure. Hydropower declines during drought. Wind and solar fluctuate unpredictably. This creates a dangerous imbalance. More demand, less supply. Transmission, the hidden bottleneck. Even when power exists, it has to move. Extreme weather damages or constrains transmission lines, substations, transformers. Heat causes line sag, cold causes mechanical failure, storms cause physical destruction. Power that can't move might as well not exist. The cascade effect. Once instability begins, grids protect themselves. They shed load intentionally to avoid total collapse. That's how. Rolling blackouts begin. Entire regions go dark. Recovery takes days or weeks. These failures are preventive, not accidental. Why this is getting worse. Weather extremes are becoming more frequent, more intense, less predictable, but grid upgrades lag behind. Infrastructure investment moves slowly. Weather risk moves fast. Power grid failures aren't just technical events. They're economic shocks triggered by weather stress. In the next episode, we'll explore how grid stress quietly feeds inflation without ever making headlines. Subscribe to Weather Finance for the next episode in Energy and Grid Stress, Energy at Risk.